Hey Sagittarius, welcome to Oracle Empress Tarot. Welcome back if you are returning. Just getting off of that Friday the 13th energy. Today we will be checking your weekend vibes. If you rocking, I'm rolling. Let's get started. Spirit, give me Sagittarius. Okay, Sagittarius. Make sure it ain't no more. Okay. Interesting. Let's keep it moving. Okay. Right off the bat. Okay. What is Sagittarius vibing this weekend? How is Sagittarius? Thank you. Alright, keep it moving. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Sagittarius, for more readings like this. Alright, we're going to get some more messages. Let's get into it. Spirit, show me Sagittarius' vibe for the weekend. How they vibing? We are still in Mercury retrograde. Alright. Let's be clear about that. Whoa. Okay, Sagittarius, let's get into it. The numbers 23, 10, and 15 may be of significance to you. We have courthouse. So there may have been or is about to be some type of court proceeding. We have journey as well as your energy. You may have to travel possibly to another country, or not another country, another state for this court proceeding. Oh, wait a minute. Are you getting married, Sagittarius? Is this the journey to the courthouse? Let's get into it. We gotta see what's going on. So get your popcorn, because it's about to be a movie. Okay. Sagittarius, your energy is entrepreneur. You all about your money. All about your bag. Look, she got the cash app on the phone. And let's go. Period. Sagittarius, your energy is that of target. Or are you making someone a target? Or is somebody making you a target? Or are you targeting someone, Sagittarius? Sagittarius, you have the spirit guide. So, and your numbers down here is 50, 45, and 31. Okay? You have spirit guide, target, and entrepreneur. Is it something that you're working on as far as a business concern? Are you targeting a specific business? Or are you feeling like a target? You also have connections. Well, we do have the lovers and journey. It's your connection right here. Okay? There is definitely, and the lovers is Gemini energy. You may be dealing with a Gemini. And we have trust. So whatever this journey is you're on, you trust it. whatever this entrepreneur or new business or bossing up energy you're in, you trust it. Because it looks like you've been listening to your spirit guides. You in listening to your intuition. You in the energy of unplugging. Maybe because someone is targeting you. You feel like a target. So you're in the energy of unplugging this weekend and going within, isolating. Sagittarius, you want to reconcile with whoever this lover is to you. Only you know who they are. You know who they are. Okay. You want to reconcile. Let's be clear about that. So you may even be targeting this, zeroing in right on them. Look, you might even be getting on the train to go see them, but you definitely would journey moving towards them. Sagittarius, you have manifestation. You're manifesting this. Look. With the help of your spirit guides. Okay? Let's be clear about that. You're also manifesting this money with the help of your spirit guides. Okay? Trusting the process. Unplugging. Tending to whatever paperwork or courthouse proceedings that need to take place. Because guess what? You bring me joy. Joy is here on the board. Okay? Reconciliation is on the board, Sagittarius. You gonna manifest this reconciliation, Sagittarius. You gonna manifest it. You believe it. You trust that whatever journey this is gonna lead to joy. It's going to lead to this reconciliation. This is your energy for the weekend, Sagittarius. Okay. Let's get some tough love messages from Spirit. Please like, comment, share, or subscribe to the channel, Sagittarius, for more readings like this. Hit the notification bell. Spirit, what tough love message do you have for Sagittarius for the week? Okay. Well, that flew out. Let's get into it. And it is... shit is going down with your job. Reevaluate, change your perspective, or fucking quit. Okay, Sagittarius, I don't know why. Spirit told me to go back here. Are you a target at your job? Are they pinpointing something regarding you at your job, making you a target of some type of harassment? which is why your weekend vibe is unplugging. Maybe even exercising, connecting back with yourself, trusting the process and your spirit guides on this journey that you're on. Let's get your high vibe message for the weekend. Spirit, thank you. Sagittarius, Spirit says choices. Choose the good. Remember, every moment is a choice. What do you choose in this moment? Okay? The choice is yours. Listen to your spirit guides. Unplug, Sagittarius. Trust the process. Continue to manifest. Stay in this joyful energy. Because love is on its way towards you. Or you're on its way on your way to love with reconciliation. Sagittarius, that is all I have for you at this time. Till next time, bye now.